Hi there, I'm Calum.
And I'm Roxana.
8 months ago, we moved to an amazing wee island on the west coast of Scotland called Islay.
In 2019, we bought an ex-ambulance and we spent a year and a half converting it into our perfect little home on wheels. Say hi to Tyrion Bannister. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do something a bit different. Calum is actually away to Sweden to do a whiskey festival, so I think he's having so much fun. So I'm gonna show you what I like to do on my day off and do things that are good for my mental health. So I'm gonna go to this beautiful beach next to Bruichladdich. It's called Port Ban, and I'm gonna do some swimming, which is really exciting. So I'm just gonna take you with me. If you could only smell this, at this time of the year you can see so much gorse on Islay, and when it's ready to peak it actually smells like coconut. It's such a beautiful smell, so do not touch it, it's very juggy. Since January, the last time I was in the water, and I like it here so much because even if it's a little bit windy, you're nicely sheltered. And I was hoping for some sun, but it is what it is. So let's not waste any more time and it's cold, but it's so beautiful and I love it so much. And it's actually been not too bad. I expect it to be colder, so yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy that for now. Just makes me feel so amazing, and I'm just so grateful to the sun. I'm so grateful to live on Islay and know I can come to the beach anytime I want and have a swim, and it's just so amazing, so amazing. So I'm back. I am so glad that I put the fire on before I went for a swim, so it's nice and cozy. So my plan for now is I'm gonna make some mushroom soup, have some lunch, and then we're gonna go to Lossit Bay, another amazing beach. at this weather. I mean, the sun is so strong and it's so warm. I had to actually take my jacket off. For me, I sometimes, when I'm so tired after work, I struggle to actually go out of my house. And when I do, I always really appreciate it. So I don't think there's a better place to go to than Lossit Bay. Whenever I come to a beach, I always bring my speaker with me so I can have a little dance. So let's do it! Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm just gonna leave it here. I stopped filming about 2 hours ago just to enjoy this spectacular beach, and Calum will definitely agree that this is our favorite beach. Anytime you come here, whether it's snowy, whether it's sunny, or just really dramatic, it always looks so beautiful, so I highly recommend to come here. So I'm gonna head back to the van, I'm gonna cook some dinner, watch a movie and just go to sleep. So thank you and see you in 2 weeks.